Okay, let's meet guys, the official candidate of Mr. World Philippines. Pakilala ka po.
Hello everyone, my name is Archon Perez. I'm 28 years old and I'm representing the province of Batangas.
Okay, syempre ito ang tanong nila. Bakit ikaw na ang susunod na next Mr. World Philippines 2026?
Well, I should be your Mr. World Philippines because I believe that I am a man with a driven purpose. So based in my interview a while ago is that I mentioned that I have this project, The Worldly Color, and I've been doing this for about 3 years, and I think I'm not into the title, but I'm into more on community-related activities, and I think that the organization, the Mr. World Philippines, would be a great help, a great platform for me to be able to connect with other people and also expand my project not only here in the Philippines but across the world.
Okay, invite the viewers to follow your social media accounts.
Again, guys, my name is Archon Perez. You can follow me in my Facebook account, Archon Perez, and Instagram also. You can search is at Engineer Archon 03, and also same with the TikTok Engineer Archon 03.
Okay, syempre gustong marinig ng ating viewers ang iyong sample introduction. Okay, go!
Archon Perez, Mr. World Philippines, Batangas Province.
Okay, again, good luck!
Thank you so much.